How to send daily digest emails with n8n. So to do this, we need to actually have a schedule trigger node. Let me head over and input one. Let's input right here a schedule trigger. So search for schedule and add it right here. So you can input right here the interval. I'll choose 1. And for the time, let's choose 9 a.m. So after that, this will be added right here. Next thing you need to do is to actually add right here a Gmail node. Click onto this and search right here for Gmail. Click onto this right here and let's choose right here send a message. So you can search right here for the things that you want. On my case, let's choose this right here. And then input right here your users, create the credentials, and for the subject, you can input or fetch recent emails such as specific options and head over and add an RSS feed reader node to pull the latest articles from news sources or blogs. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.